Today I'll share a review of the OnePlus Watch. The OnePlus Watch runs on proprietary OS and has 1 GB RAM and 4 GB internal storage. The OnePlus Watch has a 1.39-inch AMOLED display and supports 5.0 Bluetooth version. The OnePlus Watch has a 402 mAh battery and is IP68 water and dust resistant. It helps you to measure your blood oxygen, heart rate, fitness level, breathing exercises and other outdoor sports. Now with the OnePlus Watch, you can read messages, send messages and receive calls. The OnePlus Watch is made of stainless steel and the size of the OnePlus Watch is 46 millimeter. Now with the OnePlus Watch can be connected to your OnePlus TV. In case you fall asleep, the watch will automatically instruct the TV to turn off. The OnePlus Watch comes in two colors, midnight black and moonlight silver. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you.